Salutations friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Dirty Flower Factory from Kerosene. This is a house and a fragrance I've had my eye on for a bit, so I finally bit the bullet and purchased a bottle, and I'm ready to review it for you guys. So if you'd like to know what I think, then keep watching. The nose and heart behind this house is John Peg. If you're unfamiliar with John Peg and you watch YouTube fragrance reviews, I don't think he needs any introduction, so I'll leave it at that. But if you're interested in learning more about Kerosene and this house, definitely check out their website. No transparency purposes, I purchased this bottle. I got no discount or anything like that. I was really interested in supporting this house and this line. It's just one of the houses that I've wanted to get into, but there's so many that it just, like, I hadn't gotten into it until recently. This is the only fragrance I own from them. I am planning on buying more, but this is the one that struck out to me the most that I really wanted to purchase and review. I did purchase one of the limited edition painted bottles. I was really excited for this. So yeah, transparency purposes, they did not give this to me to review. I did pay for it. It has a beautiful melange of notes. It has orange, blossom, rose, jasmine, pink pepper, chili pepper, sandalwood, musk, and ambergris. This scent is something that it has different phases when you wear it, and I really love that. I'm wearing it right now on the back of my hand, just to kind of be able to kind of jog my memory of the opening, because I've worn it before and I was just kind of remembering the dry down. The first thing I'm going to say about this fragrance is that it is a very powerful white floral scent. It is definitely, you got the rose in there and the musk, but the jasmine and the orange blossom are very strong and predominant in this fragrance. So if you are not a lover of white florals, this fragrance will not be for you. I love white florals, which is why I was really excited to try this. Now, I will say another thing about this scent. When you smell it just like this, like if you ever have the opportunity to smell it or just kind of go like this, the aroma that you get from the cap smells like grape soda. So don't think that it's just like a grapey, fruity scent, because it really needs to be on your skin for all those different beautiful notes to come out and play a part. On my skin, this opens up soapy. It opens up very strong, specifically with the orange blossom, and you get a little bit of the pepper in there, which is really, really nice. As it dries down on my skin, the jasmine and the rose comes out, and so does the musk, and it just kind of makes this really beautiful treat of like white florals and musk. Like your nose is always picking up little different things, and there's a little bit of spice in the background because that's when the chili pepper comes out. There's like a twinge of sharpness in the back, just in the back, but not like a negative sharpness, like that spiciness that works really well with the musk and the peppers and the white florals and the rose. It's really nice. As it wears longer on your skin, the white florals become less strong, although they are very predominant the entire lifespan of the scent, and you get more of the sandalwood and the musk, and it just becomes a little bit lighter, a little bit more, I want to say sparkly, but it's not a sparkly scent. A little bit more clear, I want to say, and just overall it's just a really powerful floral scent is the best way that I can describe it. This is one of those scents where you really have to try it to experience it and to really understand what I'm saying, because I'm sitting here throwing out words like sharp but not negative, super strong white florals but also kind of sparkly but not sparkly, and here's this and this and this and this and this. It's just a really interesting and fantastic experience, and it's one of the things that I really look for when it comes down to fragrances, is sometimes you want to smell good and sometimes you want to experience something unique and new, and with Dirty Flower Factory I find that I get the best of both worlds. If you're a lover of white floral scents, this is a great experience. It's a really beautiful, strong, powerful white floral scent, but there's not too many white florals in there where it becomes competing. So you really get the beautiful characteristics of the orange blossom, specifically in the opening, and then as it dries down a little bit, you get a little bit more of the jasmine, and the rose comes in there, but it doesn't really ruin or diminish the integrity of the white florals. In fact, it kind of works more with the musk, so the musk doesn't become too overpowering and make the fragrance smell like it's a little bit dated, which sometimes musks and white floral combinations can smell. It just makes it a unique, interesting experience, and then you get the ambergris and the sandalwood and the beautiful kind of spice pepperiness in the background. It's really a unique and beautiful experience, and I've just really been loving this scent so much. I would say that this scent will not be for everybody though. I know a lot of people have issues with white florals, specifically very strong white floral scents, so definitely sample this fragrance first. But if you're of those people that you like white floral scents and you want to try something a little bit new and unique, but it's still wearable and really beautiful, I think Dirty Flower Factory from Kerosene is absolutely fantastic. Now some people love this scent and some people don't, so I always recommend to sample first. I will link Kerosene's website below where you can get samples. Do understand that that is not an affiliate link. I don't get anything at all, so do not worry. This is not like this is any sort of sponsored post. Absolutely not under any circumstance. The other nice thing about this fragrance is if you're looking for a very powerful scent that lasts a long time, this has excellent projection. It leaves a really beautiful trail as you wear it, and it lasts on my skin about 6 to 8 hours. So this does perform very well in all of those categories. That also being said, because it is strong and it leaves a lingering trail, I probably wouldn't recommend this as a work appropriate scent. Also, throwing this out there, this is a unisex fragrance, but it does smell a little bit more on the heavy white floral. So if you're of the mindset where florals aren't your thing and you kind of tend to want more masculine scents, I would say this leans a little bit more feminine. But just the way that this smells, I think this would be really sexy on a guy. I don't know. I like it when guys smell like flowers. It's just kind of my thing, one of my things. So I do think that this is most definitely a genderless scent, but if you're of the mindset where something that maybe is a little bit too sweet and floral is not your thing, I would say it pushes a little bit more on the feminine side, but I think anyone can rock this easily and you would smell amazing. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. What is your favorite fragrance from Kerosene? I'm definitely interested in purchasing more fragrances from this house and supporting it. I just really love the scent. I really love the entire concept behind his house, and just everything about this is just really exciting and cool to me. So let me know what your favorite Kerosene fragrance is below, and maybe I'll purchase it and check it out. In any case, guys, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. I would love to see this channel grow. If you do not want to, that's totally okay. If you do not like videos like this, if you do not like content like this, there's also a thumbs down button. The thumbs up and thumbs downs really lets me know what type of content you like to see so I can bring you guys the best videos possible. In any case, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.